Is sound recognition not working on your iPhone? This feature is an essential accessibility tool that listens to specific sounds like baby crying, a smoke alarm, or a doorbell and sends you notifications. If it's not functioning, don't worry. Let's troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Solution 1. Ensure sound recognition is enabled. Sometimes the feature might be turned off accidentally. Let's confirm it's enabled. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, tap Sound Recognition. Ensure the sound recognition switch is toggled on. Solution 2. Enable specific sounds to monitor. If sound recognition is enabled but still not working, ensure you've selected the sounds your iPhone should monitor. Navigate to Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Sound Recognition. Tap Sounds. Look for a list of predefined sounds: smoke alarm, baby crying, dog barking, and doorbell. Toggle on the sounds you want your device to listen to. Toggle Allow Notifications to on. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sound recognition issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials.